Good morning. Good morning. चलिए, now am I visible, कृतज्ञा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible also. Yes, ma'am.
Audible and visible.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Everyone, please turn on camera. चलो, no ma'am, yes ma'am, okay.
You are visible and audible.
Okay, Ved. चलिए. Everyone, turn off your mic and turn on your camera. Turn off your mic and turn on your camera. Ved, mic off. Okay, good. चलिए, good. I'm able to see कृतज्ञा, Dashant, Ved, Saseen. Good. चल. So, hope your exams were good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. English. I liked very much English and maths and science. See, only.
Okay.
And
If you like something, what is the reason that the other two you don't like?
Ma'am, the reason behind this is I had a bad that was given by my early school when I was very young, and so
Okay.
I love English because it has to writing and that.
Okay, good. Chalo. So let us wish the subjects which you like, may you progress in that, and the subjects which you feel that they are boring or either they are
Grammar
you don't
or
like
English?
them or either you don't like. What, Jagrit? I'm just speaking.
And grammar or English textbook?
Jagrit, I am only speaking. Right now मैं बातें कर रही हूँ, मेरी बातें सुनो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we wish that आपके जो favorite subjects है उसमें आप बहुत ज़्यादा progress करो और the subjects which you don't like or just some boring or something, may you progress more in that because जो subjects आपको अच्छे लगते हैं वो तो आप करने ही वाले हो, right? The problem is with the subjects which you don't like. अब उसमें आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए you will need extra work, extra practice. So hope you all can do that, right? चलिए, this is Disha ma'am and
Ma'am, I don't like Hindi.
Okay, that's because it's a language. We don't. It's just that the Shinchan अगर English बोलता तो तुम Shinchan भी ना देखते, right? Avengers Endgame अगर if you see Avengers and Endgame in English and if you see the Hindi dub, why do you think it is Hindi dub? Come to the more of people.
Yes.
You know, other Avengers
What,
Endgame
ma'am?
English में देखो एक बार.
मैम एवेंजर्स एंड गेम तो मुझे इंग्लिश में देखना है. आई लाइक एवेंजर्स एंड
languages can be अगर जब आप सीख रहे हो चलो then when I was in class, I was in school at that time. First language was English, second was Hindi. Please don't unmute yourself now. Let me complete first, everyone. Right? चलिए. So first language was English, second language was Hindi. Compulsory हमको third language सीखनी पड़ती थी. Either it be Sanskrit, either it be German, either it be French. Right? Gujarati भी थी. Gujarati तो होते हुए भी. Gujarati was there as a language, basic language. But then to also any third language you have to choose either Sanskrit, then German or French. 3 options were given. Right? And you feel somewhere कहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा है कहीं और, but then to also we learn. Clear? चलिए. So with this new week, yes, happy Friendship Day to all of you. Yesterday was the first Sunday of August.
Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day.
I wish we all would be as good friends as Krishna and Sudama are. This friendship band, see, one you have to make बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, एक स्टोरी मैं आपको बताती हूँ. स्टोरी तो नहीं कह सकते, बट इट इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दी आइडियोलॉजीज ऑफ फॉरेन कंट्रीज एंड इंडिया. राइट, आप फॉरेन के कोई भी सेलिब्रेशन देखना, व्हाट एवर सेलिब्रेशन, उनके पास स्वीट में क्या होगा, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्वीट. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो हम स्वीट खाते हैं हमारे शादी ब्याह में. उनके पास क्या स्वीट है, व्हाट डू दे मेक?
Ma'am, they have wine, red wine.
No, I'm asking about the sweet. No, the dessert जो खाते हो क्या खाते हैं जनरली फॉरेन में? यू हैव सीन मेनी, अभी तो हमने भी वो ट्रेंड ले लिया है, बट देन फॉरेन कंट्रीज में क्या खाते हैं जनरली? स्वीट, व्हाट इज? डोनट्स. ओके. मेजरली इफ दे आर हैविंग ओकेजन, उनकी शादी होती है या उनके घर बच्चा पैदा होता है, या व्हाट डू दे ईट, व्हाट डू दे कट?
Then they eat cookies, cake, sweet potato.
So cake, okay, I'll stop you, I'll stop Rudra there. They majorly, आप अगर उनकी कोई भी occasion देखो, majorly they prefer cake. Right? They have big size cake, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी केक्स ऑर्डर करते हैं. वो अभी तो क्या बोलते हैं, स्पेशलाइज नहीं, there's some different word.
मैम सर कहा था
Theme based. But these are all pinata cake and all that are all different theme cakes, right? So they specialized cake they make. Like suppose if I love animals, तो मेरे केक के ऊपर कोई animal draw किया होगा and all that stuff. Now, इंडिया में जनरली मेजरली अगर खाना खाने जाओगे तो लड्डू मिलेंगे. अभी तो बर्फी तो अभी लाइक लास्ट 2 decade में आगे जनरली पेड़े या लड्डू मिलते हैं. नाउ you being in 5th standard, you need to understand the difference between the culture. I'm not telling which is good, which is bad. Culture देखो, एक country है या एक society है जहाँ पे उस sweet के टुकड़े कर करके खाए जाते हैं. Whereas there is a country where the culture says, आपकी मम्मी अगर आप घर पे लड्डू बनाती हो, अगर आपने देखा हो तो पूरा जो मोतीचूर है या जो अगर उसके लड्डू बनाए हैं भाकरी के, तो दे मैश इट ऑल. मैश करने के बाद वो ऐसे ऐसे सारा इकट्ठा करते हैं. राइट, इंस्टेड ऑफ कटिंग इट दे स्टोर इट, वो एक साथ करते हैं, देन यू ईट एज अ होल. The concept, the difference, the basic difference between both the cultures is, Britain में या foreign countries में, they have a tendency to cut something and to eat. Whereas India, the basic tendency of Indian or the basic culture of Indian, हमारा culture जो है, that culture says सबको साथ में लेके कर. Now, अब आ गया प्रश्न. अब यहाँ पे तो हम बाबा बर्थडे होता है तो भी अभी किसी को मैं बोलूं कि गायत्री हवन करवाओ तो शर्म आती है. नहीं, मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड्स को पार्टी तो देनी है मामा, पार्टी में केक तो चाहिए ही मामा. ओके, एग्री, केक खाते ही हैं, हम सब खाते हैं, राइट. बट एज एन इंडियन यू शुड नो व्हाट योर कल्चर इज, राइट. अगर कहीं आपको कोई बोले ना दैट अभी तो खैर आप छोटे हो, बट वेन एवर यू विल गो आफ्टर 25 years 20 years यू विल गो, यू शुड फील प्राउड दैट यू आर इंडियन. आवर कल्चर इज द थिंग विच यू शुड हैव इन योर माइंड. हमारी सोसाइटी थिंकिंग से बनी है. आपने देखो, हमको किसी को भी वीकेंड विलास में क्यों जाती है, फ्रेंडशिप बात मैं क्यों ये कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज फ्रेंडशिप डे की बात कर रही हूँ. नाउ व्हाट इज फ्रेंडशिप डे? बिकॉज द कल्चर ओवर देयर, फॉरेन के जो कल्चर्स है वहां पे कल्चर में ऐसा होता है कि दे डोंट हैव टाइम स्लॉट्स टू मीट ईच अदर. सो दैट इज द वे दे हैव केप्ट मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे, सिस्टर्स डे, ब्रदर्स डे, फ्रेंडशिप डे, चॉकलेट डे, टेडी बेयर डे, समथिंग. वेयर हम तो रोज हमारे दोस्तों को मिलते हैं, हम अपने मम्मी पापा के पास. वहां पे सीरियसली वहां पे आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 14-15, you know, you have to earn yourself and you have to live your livelihood. मम्मी पापा के साथ रहना is not the culture. Whereas हम तो अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ भी रहते हैं. In some cases ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के भी सास ससुर होते हैं, 4 पीढ़ियां साथ में रह रही होती है, right? Nobody is good, nobody is bad. I'm not telling that culture is bad and we are good. No. You should differentiate between the culture that we are born and brought up in. आपके मम्मी पापा को पूछना, आपने उन्होंने कभी फ्रेंडशिप डे सेलिब्रेट किया है? नहीं किया होगा, और अब किया होगा तो भी हार्डली, बहुत कम, बहुत रेयर लोगों ने. सो डज दैट मीन दे डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स? उनके पास फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, ऐसा है? या तुम्हारे आपके जैसे कूल BFFs नहीं है, ऐसा है? नो, इट्स नॉट दैट. It's just that we were born in such area where Western influence हमारे ऊपर इतना नहीं था, right? If at all I'm not having any band, does that make me a person without friends? मेरे दोस्त मुझे साल में एक ही बार याद करेंगे बांधने के लिए?
Ma'am.
नहीं ना, right? Always think. Yes, good.
Yes. Ma'am, while yesterday my friends came my home and gave me these friendship bands, and I asked them, a girl is not having a friendship day, so they are saying that the girl that do not have a friendship band, they have not friends. I said, why? So we are making a joke, not. So this was
कृष्ण सुदामा, सबने बातें सुनी हुई है, बहुत सारे किस्से सुने हुए कृष्ण सुदामा के. दे वर बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, राइट? वैसे ही, एंड ऐसा ही नहीं है दैट जेंडर, द सेम जेंडर. अगर आप महाभारत देखो, कृष्ण भगवान इज गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ अर्जुन ऑल्सो, एंड कृष्ण भगवान इज गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ.
मैं उसको पार्थ करके बुलाते थे,
पार्थ के बुलाते थे. यस यस, एंड ही वाज इक्वल. Krishna Bhagwan was equal good friend of Draupadi. Draupadi is Arjun's wife, right? So in our Indian ancient culture, they have not only like अभी तो ये बहुत बोलते हैं that you know, gender inequality and all that. We always believe in gender equality. We are all treated equal, right? So it's fine that you are having a good friend and good list of friends, but it is also fine अगर आप उसको फ्रेंडशिप डे नहीं बांध रहे हो. मेरे लिए आप सब फ्रेंड्स हो ही. अगर आप मुझे बैंड बांधे ना बांधे, मैं आपको बैंड बांधू या ना बांधू, बट देन ऑल्सो वी आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, BFF, राइट? चलिए now can we start the class? Yes, can we start the class?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen a video on WhatsApp group. My G shared me that there are 3 types of friends: gynecologist, orthopedist, and a surgeon. Gynecologist means a friend who always stands with you. Second one is orthopedist, that leaves you behind and gives your name and don't support you. And third one is without your support and useless people who do not deserve your BFF.
But that is Rudra, that is very you can say a highly thoughtful statement which you have spoken. तो ये सबको समझाने में भी देर लगता है, because you know this kind of you have people around you, those who can make you differentiate between these 3 categories of friends. Because ये categories आपको कब आएगी पता है? ये आप जब टीनेज में आओगे ना आपकी, like when you are in 8, when you are in 9, at that time you will identify that who is my friend, who is, जो गुजराती में कहावत है, थाड़ी मित्र 100 મળે, શેરી મિત્ર અનેક, જે પર સુખ દુઃખ વારીએ તે લાખોમાં એક. राइट? थाड़ी मित्र 100 મળે, माने ताली मारी ने जैसे हाय हेलो वाले दोस्त बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, राइट? शेरी मित्र अनेक, तो माने जिनके साथ तुम घूम के बड़े हो सकते हो. यू कैन रोम अराउंड, यू कैन बी विद द फ्रेंड. बट जे पर सुख दुख वारिये ते लाखों मां एक, जिसके ऊपर हम आंख बंद करके ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं, और वो जो हमारे ऊपर आंख बंद के ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं, ऐसा जिंदगी में अगर एक भी मिल जाए तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात. Right? चलिए, let us hope this beautiful quote wakes you up. Right? चलिए, so let us start today's class. Quickly, can I tell Rishant to have a prayer for us, because we have already started talking, so I have to bring back to English today. Rishant, can you please recite the prayer?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, please join hands, close your eyes.
Om तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands. Touch your eyes. Take a deep breath. Smile. Hello. Right? चले. Einstein बन जाओ. Very good. Today the weather is very good, and here I'm sitting with a new week and new energy of students. Right? Chale. Now today we will do something in textbook. So I request all of you to take out your English textbook.
Ma'am, take out.
Took out.
Ma'am, grammar textbook.
Now.
Ma'am, Helen Keller वाला chapter.
Chali. Now for that, before starting this chapter, I want all of you to look at your place. Turn off your mic first, Richa. Mic on. Turn off your mic. Now, I want you all to stand up at your places, close your eyes, and try to go to the door of the room which you are sitting. Close your eyes, walk towards the door of your room. Walk towards the door of your room. Start walking. Rishant, start walking. Jagrit, close your eyes, aankhein band. Go towards the door of your room. आप जिस रूम में बैठे हो वहां पे फोन लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's fine.
मैम क्या करना है?
You have to close your eyes and you have to go to the door of the room.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now from there, you have to take 5 steps right. 5 steps towards right. Right. अगर right में दीवार है तो left. Left में भी दीवार है तो सीधा 5. Now, अब जहां पे आप पहुंचे हो वहां से 2 steps back with the eyes closed. जागृत, आंखें तो आपकी बड़ी बड़ी दिख रही है मुझे. Everyone, close your eyes. Wherever you are, come 2 steps back. सम्राट, मोबाइल लेके मुझे लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा. मुझे वहां हॉल में जाना है. Don't take your Disha ma'am with you. Right? Only close your eyes. I don't want you to open your eyes. आप धीरे धीरे open कर दे रहे हो. चलिए. Now those who have taken 2 steps back, turn around, take 5 steps towards the left. Left side में 5 steps. Left side में आपका left कहाँ है? 5 steps. Very good. Now, without opening your eyes, आप सबने चीटर को खो, आप लोग सबने eyes open कर लो. Without opening your eyes, can you tell me where are you? Can anyone tell me where are you? Without opening your eyes, huh?
Ma'am, I am on my
Nobody would tell. चलिए, come back.
Ma'am,
Come back to your position. Come back.
I am on my setup.
How did you come to know? चलिए एवरीवन गेट बैक टू योर प्लेस।
मेरे सोफा में तो मैम मेरे सोफा में तो ये नेशनल गार्ड चढ़ गया था मैम बिकॉज देयर स्मेल।
ओके नाउ इमेजिन, आपको मैंने 2 मिनट आंख बंद करने को बोला, फिर भी आप ऐसे कर रहे थे। यू आर डूइंग लाइक दिस। इमेजिन somebody is blind, what he or she would do? Imagine somebody is deaf, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। हमको बहुत बार वो बोलते हैं कान में धाक पड़ गई, कान में धाक पड़ गई, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, चू 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 आवाज आता है
कान में।
Imagine somebody, हाँ, imagine somebody who is deaf, imagine somebody who is blind. Now how he or she would survive? जागृत, कैमरा अपना ठीक कर दो, आप अपनी पोजीशन पे आ जाओ। Keep your mobile on a steady place and use it properly. Right? Now, if you imagine, this chapter is exactly about a person who was not by birth default. Somebody please turn off your mic. आपका mic off है। इको आता है।
मैम रितिका खरा।
Yes, Ritika. Everyone, please turn off your mic. Now, this story is about a lady or personality inspiring people. We already know something or somebody who has inspired us. Now, we know there are people. Last year, हमने APJ Abdul Kalam के बारे में पढ़ा था. This year, it is a name. It is a lady who was not by birth अंधे नहीं थे या बहरे नहीं थे, but then she met with a different disability. And नहीं बताऊंगी। आधा घंटा हो गया, अभी भी you don't know which chapter. Then I'm not going to tell you. Now, all participants are muted. Only Disha ma'am would speak now. Clear? So this chapter tells about a personality जिन्होंने specially disabled होने के बावजूद भी, without having the eyesight, without having the what you can say, the hearing aid, right? She was not able to hear. Then too also she got a Nobel Prize. She studied beautifully, and आज वो इतने महान हो गए हैं कि इतने साल के बाद भी उनको हम पढ़ रहे हैं। Imagine, right? हमारे पास तो सारी senses है. We have 2 eyes, we have 2 ears, we have 1 brain. But then too also हम क्या करते हैं? बातें. Right? Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn about a personality who is disabled, but yet she has made wonders in her life. Right? Chalo. So, starting the chapter, can I please request everyone to come to page number 6868. Jagrita 6868. वीर भालोड़िया, सम्राट, फिर आधा क्लास चला जाता, फिर पूछते मैम कौन सा सब्जेक्ट निकाले, कौन सा पेज निकालूं? चलिए पेज 68, right? Today's date is 24, 25, 27. Which date is today? Yes, of course. Which date is today? To what? The full date. Yes, it is 2nd of August 2021. A new month started yesterday. Right? Chaliye. I have classes. Just a second. Chaliye, write today's date and try to fill up this getting started. That is on page 68. Page 68, getting started. Chaliye, read it by yourself. एंजल, बिकॉज दिशा मैम इज नॉट स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग, तो कहां से आएगा कुछ वॉइस बेटा? यस प्रार्थना, पेज नंबर 68, getting started. Many times we end up in situations we have not planned for. It is when lives of determined people inspire us to sail through the sea of troubles. Which qualities will you handle in such situations? Now, if you are not coloring them, just put a tick. If you are coloring them, fine, good. नहीं color कर रहे हो, just put a tick. रत्ना, the pie chart जो आपको दिख रहा है, that is having different qualities. Now, अगर कोई situation में आप stuck हो गए हो, तो which quality should you have? आपको क्या चीजें करनी चाहिए? Which quality should you have? If you are not coloring it, that is fine. खाली उसको आप टिक कर देंगे, then too it is okay. Yeah, read the qualities. Being patient. Being patient मतलब धीरज रखना. हिंदी में आपको मैम ने मुहावरे सिखाए होंगे, धीरज के फल मीठे. धीरज means to keep patience. सब कुछ आज के आज, अभी के अभी हो जाएगा, that is not practically possible. So you have to wait. Second, adapting to the situation. Now, what is adapting? Adapting is when you are, being okay with the surrounding. Suppose, let's say I give an example. I went to eat pizza, right? Now, everyone ordered one particular kind of pizza. Everyone ordered, let's say, cheesy pizza, सबने order किया. And I was the one, I wanted paneer pizza. Now, in that situation, what I can do is, बाकी सबने जो order किया है, I can eat that. That quality of mine would be adapting to the situation. मुझे cheesy pizza अच्छा नहीं लगता, but then too also, because everyone near and to me, they are all eating the same, I feel कि नहीं, मुझे अकेले को अलग नहीं खाना, I'll have with them. So that is adapting the situation, being okay with the situation, right? Third, complaining about the situation. Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Ma'am, you are not visible. Ma'am, can you please repeat? I lost the connection. Now, when you see this all problem, you should be having that one set up in your mind that it is internet. मैम तो बोल ही रहे हैं, आपको रिकनेक्ट करना है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत, right? So complaining about the situation all the time, complain, मैम नेट अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, मैम ये बहुत ज्यादा करवा रहे हो, ये बहुत कम करवा रहे हो. This is all complaint. Next, cooperate and flow with the situation. You cooperate with everyone around you. Again, it is such as adaptability only कि आप सबके साथ मिलजुल के you can work out better from the situation. Next, blaming others. मैम मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, ये तो रुद्र ने मुझे करवाया, रुद्र ने मुझे बोला, रुद्र तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ के ले गया था तुमको, right? So that is blaming others. Blaming means किसी का नाम देना. Today when I was coming in the bus, there were two, अभी तो 9 to 12 की स्कूल शुरू हो गई ना, so there were like 11, 12 के two boys were there and they were fighting in the sense, हंसी मजाक में fight. I scolded both of them. I thought वो क्या कर रहे थे? तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, इसने किया, मैंने तो नहीं देखा इसका हाथ पकड़ते हुए तुझे, right? It's not nobody does it for you. It is your decision that you want to do that. Clear? Next, understanding the situation. One good quality, if you understand the situation. क्या अभी जैसे दिशा मैम generally keep this conversation open. But when she wants to make you listen to her conversation, she keeps this microphone off of yours, so that आपके कान में मेरी आवाज properly clearly जाए और आपका दिमाग मुझे adapt करे. Next, feeling sad and gloomy. मैं ही दुखी हूँ, मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है, मुझे दुख है. सबके पास आईपैड है, मेरे पास तो खाली सादा सैमसंग का टैबलेट है. कितना दुख, right? So feeling sad and gloomy and looking for solutions. If you are having problem, I always tell, तारक मेहता का ये बहुत टैकी लाइन है, प्रॉब्लम्स तो है सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. You find the solution instead of chewing the question problem, right? चलिए quickly, I hope सबने कर लिया होगा. The 5 qualities, यहाँ पे 5 qualities we can take. अगर आपने की हुई है, that's fine if you have done. Otherwise, 5 qualities are there. I'll tell you which qualities. Rudra, you have missed one. First, being patient. Second, adapting to the situation. Third, cooperate and flow with the situation. Cooperate, जो situation है उसमें cooperation दो किसी को, अगर उस चीज में से सुधरना है, right? Suppose बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम I'll tell you the example of school. Examination hall है और यहाँ पे there are 15 benches. बाजू वाला class is having 13 benches. यहाँ पे number of students are less. So what I do is I tell any 2 students कि यहाँ से 2 bench ले जाओ और बाजू की class में डाल दो. That would solve both the queries, right? So that is known as cooperation. Yep. So cooperate and flow with the situation. Next one, fourth one is understanding the situation. पहचानो कि ये क्या है, क्यों हो रहा है. And last one, look for the solution. Right? Problems तो है सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. Look for the solution. So being patient, adapting the situation, cooperate with and flow with the situation, understanding the situation and looking for the solution. Done? अब इसमें से आपको अगर complaining about the situation अच्छा लगता है तो भी आप कलर कर सकते हो उसको. Feeling sad and gloomy लगता है, that you can color. बाकी this ideal 5 चीजें होनी चाहिए. Right? चलिए, come to the next page. Listening portion I would do afterwards. Come to the phonics fun. Phonics fun. Now, tha and dha sound. Tha and the. You can see the orange box in the first. The words in the first orange box on page 69. Through. Repeat after me. Through. Repeat after me, everyone. Through. Both. Most. Most. Thank. South. Throw. Now, PH, उसको क्या pronounce कर रहे हैं हम लोग? PH को, what pronunciation? Tha. Right? Now come to the second box. This, then, that, gather, brother, leather. Now, same PH, क्या pronunciation हो रहा है? Leather, the, brother, the pronunciation. So, you have to make a difference between tha and the. Same th, spellings are same, th. But the first one is the pronunciation. अगर ये pronunciation जानना है, आपकी textbook के पीछे, my notes से वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, the pronunciation. And the second one is tha pronunciation. These are all symbols. Right? Chaliye. Quickly do the exercise number 1. Speak the word tha pronunciation ko you will underline. Tha pronunciation ko you will underline and the ko circle. Tha pronunciation you have to underline, the for circle. Now maybe your words and my words are different, but then I'm speaking from my book. First word is bath, bath, tha. So circle. Next, that, that, underline. They, underline. Other, underline. Truth, truth, circle. Teeth, circle. Father, underline. Clothes, clothes. underline. Feather, underline. Health, health, circle. Month, month, circle. North, north, again circle. Those who have done, come to the second page, the next page. I want every one of you to turn on the camera. आपके cameras एक रुद्र के अलावा, I'm not able to see anyone. Please turn on your cameras, everyone. चले रुद्र, everyone, please turn to page number 70. Yes, okay, fine. चलो, page number 70. Same thing, yes, same thing. Put the following words in the correct column. The first side, see, this sound is th sound. TH, th sound. This sound is the sound, the. Right? Chale. So first one, I am reading according to my textbook. आपके अगर कोई आगे पीछे words है तो you have to speak it and write it. First one, path. Th sound, path. Next, mouth. Th, mouth. Next, path. When we say path, it's the sound, path. There are many paths. There are many paths. There are many paths. Then youth. Youth. जब आप S लगाते हो तब th becomes the. Mouth. Mouth. The sound. Next, youth. Youth. Th sound. Cloth. See, there is a difference between cloth and cloth. C-L-O-T-H is cloth and C-L-O-T-H-E is cloth. 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 Next, breathe. Same way, if you write E at the back, it becomes breathe. Breathing, breathe. And if you don't write E, that is breathe. Breathe. Last one, cloth. Cloth. Path, mouth, youth, breathe, cloth. And in the next box, mouth, paths, youth, clothes, and breathe. चलिए done. Maybe कोई भी, in case if you are not having some words that what I have, please change it. Okay, so then south would come here. If you are having south, done? Done? Those who have done, please type it in the chat box. Work done. So that I can rub it. Done now. Okay. 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 Chali. Now, in your textbook, come to the last page. There is a blank page in the textbook. पीछे जाओ. My notes लिखा हुआ है. जहाँ पे हमने बहुत पहले एक बार मैसेज राइटिंग किया था. In your textbook. Show it to me in your textbook. The last page, where you will find blank page. My notes. Done? चलिए. With the pencil, with the use of a pencil, yes, you can see. जहाँ पे हमने एक छोटा सा मैसेज राइटिंग लिखा था, बाकी सब जनरली पेज एम्प्टी होगा. चलिए. So with that, write today's date. Write today's date and do the mind mapping. That is tenses. You have already learned this and आगे भी मैं learn करवाने वाली हूँ, but just for your briefing information. चलिए. Tenses. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा नहीं करना है. Make it small and proper. Tenses. T-E-N-S-E-S. Tenses. Now tell me how many tenses are there? How many you know? Yes, Rudra. How many tenses do you know? Tense 1. How many tenses? Very good. 3 tense. One is past tense, future tense. Past, present, future. Yes, Ayushi. Chalo, do it with me very quickly. Now, what is past? Yes. Rudra, you have to draw the way I am drawing. The way I am drawing. Past is work done. जो काम हमने कर लिया है. Present, work going on. And future is work will be done. Very 3 basic ideas of tense. We all know this, we have been studying, but then too also. This mind map will give you a clear idea of what these tenses are. 3 tenses, 3 major tenses are past tense, present tense, future tense. अब इसमें past perfect, present continuous, that is all इसके ही parts है. But you have to understand 3 tenses, that is past, present, future. Now what is past? Past is when we talk about the work done, जो हमने कर लिया है, that is already done. Present is work going on. अभी जो कर रहे हैं, what are you doing right now? You are writing and speaking. You are listening. And last one is future tense. Future means you are planning to do. I'll do my homework in the afternoon. I will go to football match. I'll go for practicing football in the afternoon. जो काम मैंने प्लान किया है करना. Done? चलिए, type it in the chat box those who have drawn this. Those who have drawn this in the textbook. I repeat, textbook में करना है. You have to do it in the textbook. Last page. Okay, good. Done. Okay, fine. Fine. चलिए. So today's homework would be this. I'm winding up the class. We have already seen about, we have already talked about Helen Keller, right? In the next lecture, we would be having a loud reading and explanation of this chapter, right? So today's homework would be, you have to read the chapter, underline the new words and write them in the F and B. Clear? Chaliye, let us quickly take the attendance. Ritika Gara, please type it in the chat box. Don't leave. My attendance is remaining today. Ritika Gara, Vedant, Daksh, Veer Bhalodia, please type it in the chat box. Okay. Rudra Bhatt, Samrat Buddhe, जानवी, जानवी, आयुष्य दित्रोजा, समरप्रीत, आरव, आरव, वेद, वेद, ओके वेद, रत्ना, जागृत, नितिन, नवाज, ओके वेद, नवाज, एंजल, कृतज्ञा, राहेल, श्लोक, श्लोक पटेल, ओके, विवेक पवार, वंश पुण्य, रक्षना, जीत, श्रीशा, विशांत, ओके विवेक, एंड देव, श्लोक पटेल। चलिए, this was all for today. Don't forget to do the homework. अगर next class में you want to read, अगर रीडिंग करना है तो होमवर्क में रीड करके आना पड़ेगा चैप्टर। प्रशांत दाइया, मार्क डियर प्रेजेंट बच्चा, डोंट वरी। चलो, बाय बाय, you can all leave now. Fifth A, give me 5 minutes. I'll do class at 12. Fifth. चलिए, so to begin this new day of a new week and this class, can I please request Shlok Walter? Shlok, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, can you please recite the prayer for all of us? Rest everyone, please join your hands and close your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shlok.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Rub your hands, touch your eyes. Take a deep breath. स्माइल करो और शुरू हो जाओ। चलिए, now yes, now श्लोक वन थिंग बेचा, आप एक बार गायत्री मंत्र YouTube में सुन लेना, तो बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग सम लिटिल टाइनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन मिस्टेक। वॉल्टर,
यस मैम।
समझे मेरी बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, okay, because there were some pronunciation mistakes which you did. Clear? Chali. Anyways, new class, you had your exams yesterday, completed day before yesterday, there are so many things. Now today, we'll be starting the class with a good thought The thought which I discussed with the previous class students, children also, yesterday they had Friendship Day, right? We all had Friendship Day because August Mahina is full of celebrations and enjoyments and all. My question to you is, my question to them also was the same. I'm asking you this again. What do you think when you say, I have so many friendship bands in my hand, and if I don't wear any friendship band, does that mean I don't have friends?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Right? So, yes. So, that does not mean your friends are not judged by the amount of friendship bands you have. Right? ये फॉरेन का कल्चर इसलिए ही हमने किया था बिकॉज ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे, जैसे हमारा बर्थडे स्पेशल होता है, इन द सेम वे दे हैव केप्ट अ डे वेयर यू रिमेंबर योर फ्रेंड, राइट? यू रिमेंबर योर फ्रेंड, जो भी आपका फ्रेंड है, एंड जस्ट विश देम अ हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे. क्लियर? चलिए, विद दिस कोट आई वांट एवरीवन ऑफ यू टू टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. Everyone, turn on your cameras. Microphones muted, turn on your camera. Very good. Now, okay. Now, with your eyes closed, stand up at your place. Eyes closed. कैमरा लेके नहीं जाना, दिशा मैम को इधर ही रहने दो, मोबाइल आपका इधर ही रहने दो. Stand up at your place. Close your eyes. Okay. Now, honestly, walk towards the door of the room in which you are sitting. Walk towards the door. आपका रूम का दरवाजा जहां पे है, उस तरफ आंख बंद करके you walk. Go by that. Try to walk. Okay. Shall you reach towards the door of the room? Eyes open नहीं करनी है. Keep your eyes shut. From the room, from the door, touch the door and move 2 steps back. अब जहां पे भी खड़े हो वहां से, अगर आप बैक नहीं जा सकते हो तो फ्रंट आ जाइए. 2 steps बैक और 2 steps फ्रंट. Now 2 steps back. Okay. Now from there move towards 3 steps right. जहां पे भी आपका राइट है, 3 steps right. Eyes closed, eyes closed everyone. Now without my instruction, आप जहां पे भी है, honestly without my instructions, आंख खोले बगैर या टच करे बगैर, can you come back to the position? Can you come back to the position in which you are sitting? Everyone please turn on your camera. आपके कैमरा सबके ऑन होने चाहिए. Okay, without touching anything, without opening your eyes, can you reach back to your original place? Sit down everyone. Get back to your original place. चलिए आँख खोलिए, अपनी अपनी जगह पे आ जाइए. Yes, please. Open your eyes, be at your place. Now, do you find difficulty while your eyes were closed? कि नहीं, इजी था? आप जैसे आप नॉर्मली आप चलते वैसे ही, ये तो चलो आपका घर था. You find difficulty. Okay. Only Raina find difficulty. Everyone else? Nobody find it difficult?
Yes, ma'am. We find difficult. No, ma'am, it's difficult.
It's difficult, especially right now. Difficult. You are sitting in your home and you know probably all the corners of your home, right? Imagine आपको कहीं पे भी और प्लेस पे रख दिया है and then you are walking with your eyes closed. How difficult it would be. right?
It is
Now
made
this
more
chapter,
difficult to work on the
yes,
other
it
place.
would be very, yes.
It's
जो
not
अनजान
about
unknown place है, जो unknown place है, वहाँ पे to walk blindly is very difficult. Now when you say कि this, if this thing is difficult, chalo, give me 1 second, give me 1 second.
second movie.
Okay. Now when you find this difficulty level, when you find this thing difficult, in this chapter we are going to learn about a personality, a famous personality who was blind and deaf. And because she was deaf, she was not able to speak. ये general psychological problem है. See, what happens is जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो हम बहुत सारी आवाजें सुनते हैं, right? उसकी वजह से we start speaking. Now इससे पहले श्लोक आपका mic off रखो बच्चा. Before these online classes started, were you guys this familiar with these words, audible and visible? आपको ये word?
No ma'am.
Audible.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
अभी आपको पता है that audible is something to hear and visible is something to see. Why?
See, because we did not know. Because we hear from others.
Yes, because you hear from others. Right? This is the way you improve your vocabulary. Suppose one word, I don't know, I am lacking in one word, right? Now, if the same word is spoken by somebody else, I grab that word and I keep it in my mind and I increase my vocabulary. फिर next time मुझे भी बोलने में, अब मुझे बोलना नहीं पड़ता है, आप सीधे बोलते yes ma'am, you are audible and you are visible. पहले आपको नहीं पता था what is audible, what is visible. Now, this chapter contains a name of a lady who was by default blind नहीं थी, but the age of 2, but it's a rare problem wherein she became blind and she lost her सुनने का जो ability होता है, hearing, that. Now, how would you communicate? अगर आप बहरे हो, गूंगे नहीं हो, you are not dumb, but then अगर आपके कान में कोई words ही नहीं गए हैं, तो how will you speak?
Ma'am, sign language.
Sign language, but then to make you understand, to make you know this thing, you have to hear. It is difficult. My point is difficult, right? Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about a lady who is blind and deaf. Then too also, she passed her graduation, she did her master's and she got the Nobel Prize. और वो इतने फेमस हुए कि आज देखो, आज हम इतने सालों के बाद we are learning her chapters और we are learning her the kind of difficulties she faced. एक मूवी आई थी, I don't know whether you have seen, बर्फी. देखिए मूवी बर्फी. Ranbir Kapoor was the hero and Priyanka Chopra was the heroine. So in that movie, Barfi was a dumb boy. Dumb means the one who cannot speak, was not able to speak. And because he was not able to, and this Priyanka Chopra is a character कि जहाँ पे वो autistic है. Autistic is again a different kind of specialization, speciality जो होती है, but that we'll learn about afterwards. Now, my point is here that you are going to see the situation. अगर आपको हमने जो 2 मिनट की एक्सरसाइज की, उसमें भी we found it difficult कि हम ऐसे से करके आँख खोल के, हाँ दिशा ने बोला चलो दरवाजा टच कर लेते, दिशा ने बोला चलो वापस आ जाते. You do this while doing.
आपने बोला ना लेडी वो है ना, सुन भी नहीं सकती थी और देख भी नहीं सकती थी. हम देख तो नहीं सकते थे, हम चल रहे थे, बट आप जो हम बहुत दूर जाते थे, आप जो बोलते वो हम नहीं सुन पा रहे थे.
हाँ, that makes the difficulty, no? अगर आप यहाँ होते तो I could have done this exercise more. But the problem is this lady. आप तो इतने बड़े हो, आपके पास तो पूरे words है, पूरे signs है. Now this lady was only 2 years old when she left this eyesight and this. Then to also वो कैसे survive किए, उन्होंने कैसे कैसे situation को work out किया, वो कैसे उभर के निकले, that is we are going to learn in this chapter, right? So to begin with this chapter, can I please request everyone to take out chapter number 5? No, chapter number 5. Yes, chapter number 5, page number 68. Page number 68. Write today's date. Today's date is 21, 22, 23. What is today's date?
2, 7, 2, 8. 2 is 8, 8 is month and 2021.
2 is the date, 8 is the month, that is August month, and 21. We have already completed 7 months of this year also. Now, in getting started, many times we end up in the situation we have not planned for. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कभी ऐसी जगह पे आ जाते हैं, ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि we have not planned, right? मैं चल रही थी और मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया, मुझे पैर में प्लास्टर आ गया. Now my doctor said कि 30 दिन के लिए आपको सीधा ही पैर रखना है. This how difficult it was because I was lying down on the bed. करना कुछ नहीं है. नहाने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, वॉशरूम जाने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. You cannot go from here to here. You have to take somebody's help. If I want to go to kitchen, if I want to come back, right? I have to despair because the pura plaster was there till the from ankle till knee, right? Now ऐसी सिचुएशन में आ जाते हो कि जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है, right? So what are the plans that you can work out for them? It is when lives of determined people inspire us to sail through the sea of troubles. Which qualities help you handle such situations? Color them. There is a pie chart. There is a big pie chart, right? And in this chart, there are different qualities written. चलिए, out of this quality, you don't need to color. अगर आप color कर रहे हो, then that is your choice. Otherwise, you just take the qualities which you think आपको करनी चाहिए. There are 8 qualities, right? Please read all the qualities and tell me which qualities. You have to just tick it. You don't need to tell me. You have to just tick, or you can color. First one, being patient. Being patient means धीरज रखना. आपके हिंदी वाले मैम ने सिखाया होगा धीरज का फल या धीरज के फल मीठा या मीठे. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है या धीरज का फल मीठा होता है. सुना है ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. It means to be patient. सभी कुछ मुझे अभी चाहिए ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. It's not practically possible, right? Second, adapting to the situation. Adaptation is a word where you can link कि जो चल रहा है उसके साथ में adjust कर लो. Adjustment. Done. Next, complaining about the situation. Ma'am, you are not audible. I'm not able to see you. Can you please repeat the question? You have to think. Complain करनी है कि answer चाहिए. Next, cooperate and flow with the situation. Now, suppose you have missed. Ma'am, dictation ले रहे थे and you have missed 5 words because of the network issue. Now, ma'am, please repeat that 5 words. Please repeat that 5 words. Is that practically a solution? कि मैम 10th words लिखवा रहे हैं, मैम पहले लिख लूँ, फिर खत्म हो जाने के बाद मैं मैम को बोलूँगा कि मैम वो बीच के 5 मिनट छूट गए. Can you please repeat that? So, cooperate and flow with the situation. Blaming others. मैम मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. रीरी कब की बोल रही थी. विश्वा ने अपना माइक्रोफोन ऑफ नहीं किया था. Blaming others for everything which happens in your life. Understanding the situation, right? आपको उस situation में क्यों रखा है? Why are you here? You have to understand. You have to think and understand the situation. Feeling sad and gloomy, you know, every time, मैं तो बहुत दुखी हूँ, I'm very unhappy, I'm very sad. Or looking for solutions. Looking for solutions. निशा मैम बोलते ना जेठालाल वाली लाइन एक वो तारक मेहता वाली. प्रॉब्लम्स तो है सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. So trying to find out the solutions that you have. Chaliye. Now, done? Ticking done? Yasha, please tell me, which qualities have you ticked?
Yes, ma'am. Being patient, adapting to the situation, understanding the situation, looking for solutions.
Okay, 4 qualities. That's fine. अगर आपने blaming others पे डाला हो तो then that is your requirement, right? If you मैंने गलती की आज I give you one very small incident. Today I came in the bus. तो बड़े भैया लोग और दीदी लोग की स्कूल शुरू हो गई है 9 to 12 वालों की. So they were fighting. भले मस्ती में ही fight कर रहे थे. They were fighting. So I scolded both the boys. So they told मैम मेरा गलती नहीं है, इसने मुझे किया था. तो मैंने इसने तुमको किया था तो तुमने भी तो सामने रिप्लाई दिया, right? So it's not blaming others. So the 5 qualities, Yasha, I would add one more quality into it. Cooperate and flow with the situation. जो भी situation चल रहा है, whatever circumstances or whatever problem you are facing, let it be. You will find out the solution. But right at that time, you have to cooperate with the people around you. Clear? So that would make 5 qualities. First, being patient, adapting the situation, cooperate and flow with the situation, understanding the situation, and looking for solutions. Clear? Okay, chaliye.
Clear.
Come to page number 69. Listening portion. This listening portion would require a lot of backhand practice, so I'll do it afterwards. Come to phonic sound. Come to phonic sound. Chaliye. Now, there is the pronunciation the and th. When we write the word is th only. Th. But when we speak th, जो हिंदी का थ होता है, right? This is when you speak the. The sound is th only, but the pronunciation is the. Done? Now, read the first orange box. Read the first orange box. Zeel Agola is there in the class? Zeel. Zeel, can you? Zeel. Chale, read.
Shubham. Yes, ma'am.
Read the first orange box on page 69.
Okay, ma'am. Through, both, north, thank, south, throw.
Right? Thank you, Riri. Through, both, north, thank, south, and throw. Sound is th. Zeel is absent. Chaliye, Heer Bhimani. Heer.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second orange box, beta, on page 69.
Okay, ma'am. This, then, that, gather, brother, leather.
Right, very good, correct. Now, do you realize the difference between the words which Riri spoke and the words which he spoke?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is th. Riri jo boli, they all sound th. Whereas Heer ne jo bola, that all sounded the. Spelling is the same, usage of the word is th only. Clear? Chaliye. Come to the first exercise. Quickly do it by yourselves. Come on, quickly. You have to speak that word and you have to circle or underline. किसको underline करोगे? th word वाले जो शब्द है उसको you will underline. The you will circle. First one, bath. I'm not going to tell the answers. You have to do it by yourself. Bath. that, that, they, other, truth. मे बी मेरे वर्ड्स और आपके वर्ड्स अलग अलग है, तो प्लीज मैनेज करना. ट्रूथ, टीथ, टीथ, फादर, फादर. नेक्स्ट
मैम डन.
क्लोथ, क्लोथ, clothes. Next, feather, feather. Next, health, health. Next, month, month. And last on my list is north, north. Done? चलिए क्विकली सर्कल किस किस को करा? बाथ, फ्रूट, टीथ, हेल्थ, मंथ एंड नॉर्थ. 6 वर्ड्स टू बी सर्कल्ड. बाथ, फ्रूट, they don't speak in the middle, teeth, health, month and north. चलिए they read the words that you have underlined.
Yes ma'am. That, they, other, cloth, feather, and father.
Yes. चलिए done. Come to the next page. Come to the next page. Vansh Kadiwar, can you please read the question? Vansh Kadiwar.
Yes ma'am.
Please read the question.
Yes ma'am. The page number 69, 71.
70.
And where is the post?
Page 70, question number 2, beta.
Put the following words in the correct column. Read them aloud.
Please read all the words. See, listen to me. एक मिनट, वंश एक मिनट. These are 2 columns. जैसे जैसे वंश यहाँ से वर्ड बोल रहा है, you have to write in the correct column. The pronunciation in this column, the pronunciation in this column. Clear, everyone? Okay. चलिए. Yes, वंश.
Fast. Mouth. South. Youth. Youth.
Youth or youth?
Youth. Yes.
So youth will come here.
Mouth.
If it would be S, the pronunciation would be youth. Mouth.
Youth.
Youth.
Cloth.
There are, see, again 2 things, clothes and clothes. Clothes, when you write E, clothes. When you write without E, it is clothes.
Breathe.
Breathe, again 2 things, breathe. And if you write E, it becomes breathe.
Cloth. Cloth. TH.
Cloth.
Cloth.
Okay. So my one of the word which I miss is this pa. आपके और मेरे वर्ड्स अलग अलग है, so please manage that. चले. शुभम.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, please read the first.
Ma'am,
Shubham,
there is an
read the first column.
Ma'am, path.
The words are different. The words are different. If your book is having another word, you have to write it. Shubham, please read the answer.
Path. Mouth. Shout.
Youth.
Cloth. Breathe.
Very good,
Youth.
Shubham Marwania. Very good. Very good. Bus, stop. Chaliye, Silva madam is there in the class. Not there. Riya Matre. Riya. Riya is not there. Okay. Astha Charola. Asadhara.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए अच्छा ध साउंड
Path, mouth,
youth, चलिए I think
yes, ma'am. Youth,
I'm not able to.
then
Clothes,
then breathe,
breathe. Okay, done.
then
Fine. Youth, mouth, clothe, breathe, and path. Chal, done. Okay. Now come to the last page of your textbook. There is my notes करके underlining किए हुए blank pages है आपके पास. Come to that.
yes, ma'am.
This is clear.
This one, ma'am.
Clear, kind of. Yes, that one, ma'am. Last page जहाँ पे खाली linings है. We had written message writing in there. Message writing, right? There you have to just do a mind map. We have a topic known as tenses. चलिए, Vishwa is not there. Khanak rang par. Yes, now. Yes, बच्चा नाम होगी. चलिए, Khanak.
Yes, ma'am.
Tenses are divided into how many parts?
3 parts.
3 parts. Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am. Past,
Okay.
present, and future.
Okay. Thank you, Khanak. Past, present, future. I want everyone to draw this in the last page. बहुत बड़ा नहीं करना है. Small one. चलिए, ओम जीवानी.
Yes, ma'am.
Past means what? What do you mean by past tense? जो गया, जो खत्म हो गया. So precisely.
Ma'am, time that spell.
Work that is done. Because हम जब past tense present tense की बात करते हैं, we talk about the verb, doing words के बारे में बात करते हैं. So the work which is done, you have to write it. Raina, please अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर दो बच्चा, so that my screen would be visible to everyone properly. Past means work done. Present, Golter.
Work
doing.
Ma'am, can we write in our sentence?
Yes, you can. Shlok. चलिए, द्विज रूपाला. Dwij. Those who are not answering would be marked absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is it? द्विज है या श्लोक है?
Shlok, I am outside.
Where you are outside, श्लोक. Read this. Present tense means what? Read this.
Work going on.
Yes, work going on. चलिए, Mauryadeep is there in the class. Shubham Tiwari is there in the class. Mauryadeep is there. Mauryadeep, are you there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Rena. Okay, Rena.
Yes, ma'am.
What is future? Future.
Work will be done after years.
Yes, work will be done after years, or you can say in the near future. If you say, I will be doing my homework in the afternoon, or I will eat my food after the English class gets over. Right? जो काम हमने नहीं किया. These are the basic things. ये आपको already पढ़ने में बहुत बार आ चुका है. You have known this thing many a time. Now इसके जो part है, past participle, past perfect, present continuous, that we learn afterwards. Only keep this in mind. Past tense means work that is done. Present tense means work which is going on. अभी जो कर रहे हैं वो. Future tense जो हम बाद में करेंगे. बस इतना खाली अभी याद रखो. Done?
Done, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now come to page 71. Come to page 71.
Ma'am, इतना ही था?
Page 71.
Yes.
Now, in this chapter, as I told you, we would be discussing about a personality called Helen Keller. Right? So today's homework would be, you have to read this chapter, underline the new words. I repeat, मैंने आपकी बहुत सारों की बुक में देखा, there are only 5 new words. Out of 3 page का chapter, you have only 5 new words. New words are all the words that you find difficult to speak. जब आप read कर रहे हो, जब आप speak कर रहे हो, जब आपको रीडिंग नहीं आता या आपको वापस बोलना पड़े. जैसे हेलेन वॉज बोर्न इन अलाबामा. अलाबामा मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. सो यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन दिस न्यू वर्ड दैट बिकम्स न्यू वर्ड. क्लियर? सो टुडेज होमवर्क इज, उधर रखो. टुडेज होमवर्क इज यू हैव टू रीड चैप्टर नंबर 5, अंडरलाइन द न्यू वर्ड एंड राइट द न्यू वर्ड इन योर
FNB.
न्यू वर्ड मीन्स हार्ड वर्ड. यस, हार्ड वर्ड थोड़े से हार्ड लगते हैं तुमको बोलने के लिए, इसलिए न्यू वर्ड बोलते हैं. ओके ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, चलिए. So in the next class, the one who will read chapter, listen to my instructions. अगर आप reading नहीं करोगे, then I won't give you the chance to speak. जब आप मैं explanation करूंगी और आपको reading शुभम may I करोगे, then also I'll not give the chance if you have not read. Clear? चलिए. Okay, don't leave. Okay, don't leave because I have to take the attendance.